It's raining. It's a rain day. It's the day before the snow is supposedly coming. It's be 19 in the morning, which means all the wet that you see will be one sheet of ice. Oddly enough, there's only two that was in the hay of the guardian livestock dogs, and then one was towards this area and one was looking out towards the back area. So the cows are patiently waiting. I don't know if they know exactly what we're doing yet, but they're getting some Royal King food and some elevator food from New Carlisle. It's got molasses in it. The sheep really like that, so does the cows. It's cow and sheep friendly. Doesn't have the iron in it, I think is what Andy said. Yeah. So Bella's barking. She must want something too. They're all like, what's going on? Is it time to eat? We're hungry. Axel. Dog's life. He keeps shaking, but he ain't shaking the water off of him. It's been really nasty here today. A lot of water came down. I probably won't be getting out.